Scrolling, let me count the ways. A guide to moving through your digital world with ease. Welcome friends, I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy. Have you ever felt frustrated trying to get to the bottom of a web page? Or maybe your finger gets tired from clicking. Here's a little secret. There isn't just one way to scroll. There are many. Today I'm going to show you my favorite tricks to navigate your screen comfortably. Let's make technology work for you. Why learn new ways to scroll? Comfort. Give your index finger a break. Switching methods helps avoid strain and arthritis pain. Control. Sometimes you need to move fast. Sometimes you need to read line by line. Different tools give you different speeds. Confidence. Knowing your options means you never get stuck. Think of these methods like tools in a toolbox. You wouldn't use a hammer for everything, right? Let's look at the right tool for the right job. The reliable mouse wheel. Place your index finger gently on the small wheel between the left and right buttons. Roll the wheel down towards you to move the page down. Roll the wheel up away from you to move the page up. Here's a pro tip. Easy does it. You don't need to push down on the wheel to roll it. A light touch is all it takes. The visual scroll bar. Look for the narrow bar on the far right side of the screen. Click and hold the left mouse button on the sliding block inside that bar. Drag your mouse down to move the page down or up to go back to the top. Here's the pro tip. This is the best method for big jumps. It's perfect when you want to get from the top of a news site to the bottom instantly. Precision control with keys. Look for the arrow keys. Tap them for small, precise steps. Look for page up and page down. These move the screen in bigger chunks. Here's the pro tip. Having trouble reading text that moves too fast? The arrow keys are your bestie's friend. They let you read at your own pace, line by line. The spacebar secret. Open a web page or document you want to read. Tap the long spacebar once. The page will jump down exactly one screen's worth of text. Want to go back up? Hold the Shift key and tap the spacebar. Pro tip. I call this the reader's best friend. You can rest your hand in your lap and just tap the biggest key on the board to keep reading. Mastering the laptop touchpad. Place two fingers together on the touchpad, like the peace sign, but slide both fingers up gently to scroll the page down. It feels a bit like pushing a piece of paper physically up the desk to see what's at the bottom. Pro tip. If the cursor jumps around, check your pressure. You only need a feather light touch to make this work. The autopilot click. Instead of rolling the wheel, click it down once like a button. You will see a special circle icon appear on your screen. This locks in scrolling mode. Simply move your mouse lightly down to glide down or up to glide up. No clicking required. Pro tip. The further you move the mouse from the starting point, the faster it scrolls. Move it back to the center to stop. Click again to exit. Give it a whirl. Mouse wheel, everyday browsing. Scroll bar, long pages. Arrow keys, careful reading. Spacebar, casual reading. Touchpad, laptop freedom. Wheel clicking, hands-free gliding. Right now, try a method you haven't used before. which one feels best for your hand. You've got this. See, you are already a scrolling master. Remember, there's no wrong way to do it, only the way that works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Until next time, keep on scrolling, my friend.